In this tutorial, we are going to learn the life cycle of machine learning. It starts with data extraction, data cleaning and transformation, data preparation, model selection, model evaluation, model deployment, rebuilding of model. I'm Arun Solomon here. Welcome to my channel. Let's start. We can go through step by step. Data extraction. It is a process of extraction of data from multiple resources. There are many ways we can extract data, like files, databases, web scraping, API. When we go in deep in the extraction process, like if you select for files, there are many file formats available. Like flat files are there. Flat file contain simple text files or XML files or JSON files or sequential file like compressed files. And there are many types. If you consider databases, there are many types of databases. There are non-SQL databases and SQL databases. Data cleansing and transformation. As the name suggests, the process includes cleaning and converting raw data into a usable format for analysis of that data. This is an important step in machine learning process. We need to clean the data to get an accurate prediction value for our model. If there is any mistake in our data, they may have problems in the accuracy. It is not necessary that the data we have collected is always on our use as we get. There may be many issues in the data, like missing values may be there, duplicate data will be there, invalid data will be there, noises in the data. So we need to deal with these issues. Data preparation. After cleansing and transformation of data set, the next step is data preparation. It is done by splitting up of dataset into training and test data for the machine learning model. There are many ways we can do this method. The best method is to be following the 80-20 rule, that we divide the data into two parts. 80% of data is splitted for training and 20% of data is splitted for test data. There's another method that is also used for splitting data into three parts that contains training, validation and testing. This case is used as per the requirements of the project. Model selection and training. In this process, we will select the model and train the dataset. This is a continuous process where one model will not be suitable for the dataset we have selected. New models will be selected and trained here. We will do this process until we get a good predicted value. Regression, classification, clustering models are many other types of models that are available. Model evaluation. Once our machine learning model has been trained on the dataset that we have given, the next step is to find the accuracy of the model by providing the test dataset. There are many evaluation techniques in machine learning as per the model we select. Model deployment. The last step of any project or work we do is the deployment part, as that of machine learning. The model we have made is deployed to the real world system. There will be many checks before deployment of the model, like accuracy, speed, performance of the model, and many other after that only we deploy the model. But there are chances that after deployment of model, a new dataset will come with a new data patterns. So there may be a chance of current data model may not be perfect. After a while, so we need to rebuild the model once again. This way, all the above steps are done again. If you like this video, please like and share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Happy learning.